Hi friends, yesterday we have discussed about the Vedic schools. Today we will see how the education in the Jainism. Okay, Jain educational practices. First we will focus on the Jain educational practices. This will be more useful in your examination. So before writing the exam of this question, we have to follow some steps. Side headings are mandatory. First, the side heading is Jain educational practices. In Jain educational practices, the Jainism arose in 7th century BC, as we all know. They mainly focused on the liberation. Jaina Matas provides education and shelter. Okay, now we'll discuss about the system of education in the Jainism. The system of education, there are three levels. First is education at primary level, education at higher level, education for women. We'll see the education at primary level. Primary level means the basic education, it starts at 5 years. Here the educator is a supervisor. They have to provide bed for food. No spicy food should be taken. Restriction of anger, joy and sorrow. Next, education at higher level. In higher level, the learning is done in Sanskrit language. They will learn 64 arts in the Jainism and 8 more arts also added along with it. And for education for women, they mainly focused on some principles. They have to follow some vrata, non-violence, and mainly focused on the development of personality. Jainism rejects God as a creator. Now we'll see about the next side heading is aims of education. What are the aims of education? There are some principles involved in the aims of education. They have to follow the non-violence, truth, non-stealing, brahmacharya they have to follow, giving wealth to others. Those are the important principles they have to follow. And Jainism recommended liberation. One should be hardworking. They should focus on the work. They should have faith in work. The aims of this Jainism are social, economic, moral and spiritual values must be inculcated in a person. Self-realization must be there. Next, development of personality, perfection of soul, develop the sense of discrimination, and finally the aim of education is attainment of three ratnas. Friends, we know the three ratnas. What are three ratnas here? Happiness, success and soul. Now we'll discuss about the curriculum. How the curriculum in the Jainism. Here the text of Jainism is called Agamas. It is a textbook. In the textbook the language is written in Prakrit. They are studied by monks. Here the language of learning is Sanskrit. Next, the subjects involved in this curriculum are social sciences, natural sciences, moral education is given, vocal education is mandatory and co-curricular activities along with some yoga exercises. Next, how the methods of teaching here. No discrimination in teaching and learning process. They mainly focused on the group activities, discussion method, learning by doing and focused by providing occasional education. That is about the methods of teaching. Next, role of teacher. Teacher plays a major role in any education, right? The teacher provides the basic values by promoting non-violence and compassion. Subject teacher here he or she is called upadhyayas, right? A Jainism is called, that means a Jaina nun, N-U-N, nun is called sadhvi. They spread Jaina learning. Teachers spread the Jaina learning. Next we'll see about the discipline involved in this. Here the discipline is, practical discipline is essential. Happiness, bliss through action. They can attain the happiness and bliss through action only, by doing work. They mainly emphasis on the self-discipline is mandatory. Hard work must be done. And here the contribution, finally we can see the contribution of Jainism is establishment of social equality among Varnas. That is a contribution of final Jainism. I hope you understand this Jainism practices. Thank you.